Since starting my fitness journey, I have lost a total of 60 pounds. Now mind you, at the beginning of my fitness journey, I had a lot of setbacks, and those setbacks usually correlated with the unhealthy diet. And as I got out of those unhealthy habits, I found ways to make my meals enjoyable, make me feel full and satisfied, and not make weight loss such a dreadful task, and still be able to meet my fitness goals at the same time. And the way I was able to do this was watching videos like What I Eat in a Days, meal preps, videos on TikTok, YouTube, things like what you're watching as of right now. That way I was able to keep my meals creative and always look forward to it every day. So that is why I am making this type of video and plan to make more in the future, and I do have some other previous What I Eat in a Days and meal preps on my channel already as well. But I'm posting this type of video to give you guys the inspiration, give you guys some ideas on what you can incorporate into your menu. So starting with breakfast, I want you to think of breakfast as setting yourself up to have a good day. So when you start your day off well, there's a high possibility that you have a great day. So let's think of that with your breakfast. When you start your meals off with a high protein meal, there's a possibility, a high one, that you will meet your protein goals by the end of the day. So I like to start my day off with a high protein breakfast. As you saw, I plated some egg whites, some turkey sausage, and sourdough bread. The best sourdough bread that I ever had was from Aldi's, and you want to make sure that you get the sourdough bread with the least ingredients. It should have like 3 or 4. Typically it's only 3 ingredients. I also have some greens powder, MSM powder, and vitamin C. The greens powder is from 1UP. I totally love their powder. It mixes well, tastes great, and it has all the daily vitamins that I need. And then I also have some cranberry pills, and then also vitamin D3. Alright y'all, so this is the outie of the day. Alright. This is a halter workout top. It does have a built-in bra, so you don't have to worry about wearing a bra underneath. And yes, it does hold the girls up, honey. Holds the girls up. For the shorts, these are Gym Reaper shorts. Both of these clothing items are linked on my Amazon storefront. If you guys are interested, I'll link that down below in the description box. And then I do have some shoes that I got from Walmart. So TikTok was hyping up these Avia shoes that kind of like are dupes for New Balances. So I did eventually get some not too long ago, and I actually like them. For them to be $22, they do kind of support your feet very well, better than I thought it would. Yeah, they do work if you are walking or on your feet for a long period of time. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these on, and then we're going to go ahead to the gym. So when it comes to my pre-workout routine, I usually take 2 different supplements. First one being creatine, and then the second one being a pre-workout, whether that's a stim version or a stimulant version of the pre-workout. For this today, I'm using this product by 1UP Nutrition. It is creatine plus energy and focus. Therefore, it does have some caffeine in it, 100 milligrams to be exact. So therefore, I get like a 2-in-1 special when it comes to my 2 favorite supplements to take before the gym. And also the flavor is great. Highly recommend. Now, I know this is what I eat in a day, but why not show you guys a little clip of me at the gym, because that's part of the process too as well. Now, I did stretch off of camera, but this is a back day focus type of day. So I went in with some barbell rows, some back extensions, shoulder press, and then also lat pull downs. After I was done with my back exercises, I did do 30 minutes of cardio. I like to do cardio after my weight training just so I can make sure that I keep my gains. Now, after I was done with my whole workout in general, I did make sure I got my protein in because that helps with muscle recovery. So I used this 1UP Nutrition clear protein juice, which is the sour candy watermelon flavor, which is my favorite flavor so far. So I hope they keep this flavor. It's supposed to be a limited edition, but I definitely hope they keep it. But if you want to use any of these products that I mentioned, make sure you use my code TAMIAFIT at checkout for 20% off. I need some air, some fresh air. Just got done with my workout. I was in there for 2 hours. I ain't even gonna lie to you. But mostly because, I was recording, and then sometimes I be getting lost in my phone. And that's the problem. But I did get an effective workout in, so that's the plus. But anyways, I'm about to get ready to go to the store because I need to buy food. I don't have anything to eat. I really want some shrimp tacos, but my husband's home, and he's allergic. And he told me if I want to cook some shrimp tacos, I need to go to my mama's house. So I think I'm gonna go to my mama's house tonight and cook me some shrimp tacos for real. I ain't lying. But anyways, enough of me talking. I'm about to get ready to head to the grocery store. Yeah, but anyways, I'm gonna keep it simple. I ain't trying to do too much right now. And besides, like I said, I have to go grocery shopping because I don't have anything in this house. Is my mic on? Yeah, I have to go grocery shopping because I don't have anything in this house right now. But some already fully cooked chicken that I got from Costco. So we're gonna make something out of that. And then I also have some sweet potato fries. So I'm gonna make a buffalo chicken sandwich with some sweet potato fries on the side. But I'm gonna show you guys the ingredients. First, we have the star of the show. Oh, the bread. Hold on, the complete ingredient list. So starting off with the star of the show, let me check the date on this. Okay, is the fully cooked chicken breast that I was talking about. They come in individual packages. So they're already kind of sliced. I like to slice them up a little bit smaller so that way it's not too thick. But anyways, these are the chicken breasts. And then to make the sauce, the buffalo sauce, I'm going to be using, now, you know, originally when you make buffalo chicken dip, it calls for ranch and some buffalo sauce, but ranch has a lot of calories and we're not trying to intake so many calories that we gain weight. We're trying to keep the weight off, you know what I'm saying? And then stay within our calories and also meet our protein goals. So this is where the extra protein comes in and also not adding all those calories to the meal. So this is the Greek yogurt, just plain regular Greek yogurt. To give it that ranch taste, we're going to use ranch seasoning. I got the Hidden Valley ranch seasoning, but you can make your own. I've seen people do that. I've tried that and yeah, it did not work out well. And then like I said before, buffalo sauce. I got the Kinder's buttery buffalo sauce. Now you can get hot sauce as well. Hot sauce has way less calories than the buffalo sauce, but this is what I got here. So this is what I'm going to use. Anyways, we don't have any cheddar cheese. That's what I usually use for these, but we do have provolone cheese, so I'm gonna go ahead and use that. And then of course we have the bread. I'm using sourdough bread, which what I'm gonna do is, since they are long, usually 2 slices are roughly about 120 calories, but I'm only going to use 1 slice and then cut it in half and then eat my sandwich that way. But you know what, now that I think about it, it might make 2 sandwiches, but we'll see. But anyways, and then like I said, some sweet potato fries that I'm just going to pop in the air fryer that I got from Aldi.
There'll be no remnants, no trace, no residual feelings within you. Then you won't remember me. Your face will be the reason I smile, but I will not see what I cannot have forever. I'll always love you. I hope you feel the same. Oh, baby, dirty. Had to fill out my prescription for the remedy. I had to set you free, away from you to see clearly the way that love can be when you are not with me. I had to live, I had to live, I had to leave, I had to live. Set you free to fly your pretty wings around. Pretty wings, your pretty wings, your pretty wings, pretty wings. Love set you free to fly your pretty wings around. Pretty wings, your pretty wings, your pretty wings.
Okay guys, so originally this was supposed to be a meal prep for the next 3 days. That's why I'm cooking such big portions. But hear me out. I was not feeling like cooking dinner, so I ate one of my meal preps and I do not regret it. It was good. It was delicious. It was A1. So yeah, I ate it. But anyways, as you can see now, I'm cutting up some veggies. I'm cutting up zucchini and bell peppers. Please do not clown my cutting skills. I'm not a chef, but guess what? I can get the job done, okay? But anyways, I'll be cooking beef teriyaki beef with veggies. So the veggies that I'm using is zucchini, onions, bell peppers, and then also broccoli. And then of course, like I said, teriyaki beef. I'm using ground beef and I'm putting teriyaki sauce in it. So I'm gonna let you guys just watch me cook.
I came wrong, you were right. Transformed your love into life. Baby, believe me, I'm sorry I told you lies. I turned day into night, sleep till I die 1,000 times. I should have showed you better nights, better times, better days. I miss you more and more. As you left some your pretty ways are pretty ways, your pretty ways, your pretty ways, your pretty ways are pretty ways, your pretty ways, your pretty ways, your pretty ways are pretty ways, are pretty ways, yeah.
All right, so I did meal prep. These bowls here, I did 3 meals. It's the teriyaki beef with some vegetables in it, some bell peppers, onion, and broccoli and zucchini. So I didn't want any carbs. But anyways, this is supposed to be meal prep for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday for like lunchtime, like before I go to work. But I don't feel like cooking right now. So I guess one of them days, which will probably have to be Wednesday, I'll just have to figure it out as far as to what I'm gonna eat before I head to work. But anyways, that is it for a what I eat in a day. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. Also comment down below. And last but not least, make sure you subscribe to this channel so you can see more of this beautiful face, and also fitness, food, and just lifestyle related content. I'm sorry y'all, my husband watching me and he making me nervous. He making me nervous. But anyway, see you guys in the next video. Bye.
What's your